Okay, hello everyone. So now it's come to the second session, right? So in the second session, we are going to study with the coursework. I told you in the first session, we are going to study with the coursework. What's that? Yes, Grammar Planet 2. And also last week, I told you that when coming to the Grammar Planet 2 books, so we are going to learn about the verb be, but in the question sentence, right? Because we already finished the positive sentence, also the negative sentence, and today we are going to finish the question sentence here. Okay, but before going on with this one, let me review a little bit about the verb be of the positive sentence. Okay, so the verb be of positive sentence, so I use with am, right? And we can write we can write I am here. How can you write into a short form? Am, right? Good. You, what is it? You are become you, become your, right? Apostrophe or e. Okay. What about we? The same. Okay. We, apostrophe or e. They, the same. What is it? They, apostrophe or e. Okay. What about he, she, it? Yeah, we just put apostrophe s, right? He, apostrophe s equal he is. She, apostrophe s. It, apostrophe s. We can read it, sees, its. Okay, just have sounds at the end. Got it? Sure. What about the negative sentence? How can you make the sentence to become the negative one? The negative sentence. So how can you make it? Yes, as you see, just add not. So it will become the negative. Just add not after the verb be here. Okay. As you see, verb be are, am, and is. So when you want to make into the negative one, you just say I am not, you are not, we are not. So remember that the negative sentence must add, with verb be here, we just add the word not after the verb to be. And not is not, okay? And you need to remember that, everyone, you need to remember I am not, so short form equal am not, okay? But are not equal, what is it? Are not equal and isn't, sorry, is not equal, what is it? Isn't. This is the short form of is not equal isn't, so you need to remember, okay? Good. So now, do not waste the time, everyone. Let's move to our main lesson altogether. So we will focus on the question sentences, okay, of verb be. So, as you know already, I, you, we, and they use with are, he, she, it use with is, and I use with, what is it? I use with am, okay? So you, we, and they use with are, he, she, it use with is, I use with am. But what is the difference between negative and positive? Sure. So to make question sentence, you just take, as you see here, this one is the positive one, right? So when it comes into the negative, you just take the verb be to stand before the subject. What is verb be? Am, right? What is subject? I. So you see, am stand before I. Okay? So that's why it will become a question sentence. You need to remember. So when you want to make the question sentence of verb be, you just take verb be to stand before the subject. Okay? Like actually or normally we say I am, but it is the positive sentence. But when it comes into the negative, you can say am I. Okay? Am I a student? Got it? One more like this one. Ah. You see, I stand before you, we, and they. But if it is a positive here, I stand after I stand after subject. But this one, I stand before the subject. Got it? Sure. So for example, are you tall? Are we tall? Are they tall? So you, we, and they here we call what? Subject. And this one, I we call what is it? Verb be. So verb be stand before the subject. So it will become the question sentence. Okay? Are you tall? Are we tall? Are they tall? Got it? That's good, everyone. What about he, she, and it? How can you make into the question with is? The same, right? You just take the verb be to stand before the subject. Is she friendly? Is he friendly? Is it friendly? Okay? Is it easy, everyone? Yes, sure. So in the first one, you need to remember I, you, we, and they, he, she, and it. How can you use it with verb be? So I use with am, you, we, they use with are, he, she, it use with is. That is in the positive one. How can you make into the negative one? The negative sentence, just add not after verb be. And how can you make it into the question? Just take am here to stand before the subject or the positive one. It will become the negative. Sorry, it will become the question. Am I? Are you? Are we? Are they? Is he? Is she? Is it? So it will become the negative sentence. Understand? Good. And how can you answer? How can you answer? I have some clue for you. Look at this one. The question. Are you a teacher? And then the answer must, it start with the question start with verb be. So the answer must be end with verb be. Okay? It's yes no question. We can say yes no. I write here. How can you write the yes no answers? Okay? So are you a teacher? Yes, I am. So you need to remember because they ask you. Are you a teacher? And then you answer yes, I am. What about no? No, I am not. Or you can say no, I'm not. Got it? No, I'm not. Or you can say no, I am not. As you see here, am not or I'm not. Okay? Good. I am not or no or I'm not. You can write whatever that you want. But when they ask you, are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Understand? Good. One more. Is he crying? Start with is like this. Is he crying? Is verb to be, right? So that's why the answer must yes and no. So yes, he is. No, he isn't. And he isn't here. You can say no, he is not. The same. That's it. Okay. But you can write like this. It seems to be so easy to talk because it's so short, right? Good. So you need to remember, yes, he is, no, he isn't. That's it, everyone. So now, in order to make sure that you understand with how to make the question sentence or verb be, let's do some exercises here, classwork. Okay? Okay, so unscramble sentences. You see the sentence here is not in order. So you need to prepare it to be in order. You need to arrange it to be in order. Okay? So I think it's not so difficult, so that's why you can pause my video for 3 minutes in order to do these exercises. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, if you are ready now, let's pause my video and start doing the exercise. Let's start. Okay, everyone, so welcome back. So now let's check the answer with me all together. Okay? Let's check the answer with me. Everyone, you look at this sentence all together. You see the question mark? So you need to remember that question sentence, the question mark must be at the end of the sentence. So you can put it here. Question mark. Am here, what is it? What do we call? Verb be. Verb be in the question sentence, where does it stand? Yes, sure. Stand at the beginning of the sentence, right? Good. At the beginning of the sentence. So we put here am. And then after am, what is it? We need what is it? Based on the rule, subject. So where the subject? I, right? I. A daughter. Am I a daughter? And then question mark. Understand? Good. One more. We are question going home. So what is that? Question mark must stand at the end, right? And are here is what is that? Are here is verb be. Good. Verb be. We subject and going home is an object. Going here is verb ing, and home here is an object. Good. What about number 3? Okay, question mark, you need to put it at the end. And then verb be here, you must put it at the front. And then subject, this one is verb ing. Is he walking? Okay? Easy, right? Yes. What about number 4? Question mark, you put it at the end. Verb be, where is verb be? Right? So you put it at the front. Subject, you, right? You, small letter. And then crying is verb ing. Crying is verb ing. Okay? Are you crying? Got it? It becomes the question sentence with verb be here. One more everyone. He double times. Just put like this. Okay? So everyone, this one, the question sentence, what should you make? What should you make this one to become the question one? So what should you do, everyone? Okay, so as I told you so many times, question mark must stand at the end of the sentence, right? Question mark must stand at the end of the sentence. And verb be must stand at the front. And what else? He, subject, and then angry is an adjective. Okay? Is he angry? Got it? But you need to remember that, everyone. If you see the WA question, you know WA question here, like what, where, when, who, what else, whom, what else, which. So when you see all of these WA question, you need to put it before verb be, okay? Before verb be. For example, when I put like this, look at the exercise. I put am, I put what, oh sorry, I put is. I put what, and then I put see, I put doing, and then question mark. So how can you make it? So the sentence here, question mark must stand at the end, right? Okay, and what should stand, what is the word that can stand at the front? Yes. Remember, when you see the question mark, the WA question like this, you need to put WA question at the first of the sentence, at the front of the sentence. So you can put what, and after that is verb be, okay? And after that subject and verb ing, and question mark, okay? Question mark. So what is he doing? Understand? When you see all of this WA question, so please put it at the front of the sentence. Don't put verb be at the front. But if there is no WA question here, you need to put WA question. Sorry, you need to put verb be at the front. Understand? Okay, good everyone. That's it for today. Let me write this one. Okay, so again everyone, let me sum up for you. So positive sentence I use with am, you we they use with are, he it use with is. When you want to make into the negative one, just add not after verb be. I am not, you are not, we are not, he is not. Okay? And when you want to make into the question, also this one also in positive, just take verb be to stand before the subject. Become am I, is he, are we, are you. Okay? Good. Okay, that's it everyone for today, and let me say goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.